coding is going to be the language of future. The way we communicate now, coding will become extremely crucial part in every walk of life. 90% of the jobs after 5 years will require some kind of computing skills. Even though as a country we are producing only 10% graduates in the STEM departments, but I think just a basic understanding of coding will be important for every individual to perform and innovate. Now, when we think about coding, my request to all the young learners who are watching this video is to start thinking. Coding is just not about writing codes. Coding is about thinking to solve a problem. And to solve a problem, you have to start thinking from asking right questions. So, as a system, we should encourage our students to start asking right questions. And there are many platforms which do not require you to actually know coding. There are many no code app builder platforms out there which do not really ask you to learn coding per se, but we all must learn how to think, how to break a problem in smaller pieces, ask right questions, make right assumptions, connect the assumptions with the final outcome. And that's what, in my opinion, coding is all about.